So in this video, I'll be showing you my Accelerate review. Accelerate is the latest info product which has been launched by one of my fellow Ministry of Freedom member, Jake. And he will tell you in this product how you can make high ticket commissions using just your Facebook profile. So this is the complete training on Facebook organic marketing and how you can succeed with it. So if this is something that interests you, please make sure you watch this video towards the end, as I'll be showing you what is there inside the members area of Accelerate. I'll be also showing you my bonuses which I've compiled for you guys. I'll be telling you about the different price points for Accelerate, and finally I'll be telling you if this product is a good fit for you or not. And in case you don't know me, my name is Saurabh and this channel is all about latest product reviews, tips and tricks on affiliate marketing and a lot more. So as I told you, this particular product Accelerate is all about Facebook organic marketing, and Facebook is one of the very powerful platform where you can generate very high quality leads that can buy a low ticket, high ticket products from you, and you do not have to invest a single penny on paid ads to do Facebook organic marketing. But you have to do it correctly. There is a specific process of doing Facebook organic marketing. You do not have to just spam your links all across Facebook. If you do that, your account will be banned. So let me just take you inside Accelerate and show you what all you are going to get. So this is how the membership area will looks like when you make the purchase. You're going to get the welcome video from Jake, and then you're going to get the overview of the strategy, and then he will talk about setting up, optimizing your profile, how you need to select a product, from where you need to find the inspiration, and then he will teach you about his various posts. So he's been getting a lot of good results using Facebook organic marketing. And then he will talk about creating content, how you need to create a content, how you need to find the targeted traffic, which is very important. And then there is traffic bonus, and he will also teach you about the TikTok. And then he will cover about the sales process, which is how you need to interact with your prospects, how you need to start a conversation, how you need to close a sale. And then he is going to give you a challenge which you have to take. So these are all the trainings which you're going to get inside Accelerate. And I've also compiled some bonuses for you guys. The link to my bonus page is in the description down below. Once you click on that link, you will come to this page, and you can also read about Accelerate on this page. And the number one bonus I'm going to give to you is a 60-minute coaching call with me, where we can discuss about anything related to online marketing. Bonus number 2, I'm going to give you Aerial Assassin front end and the OTO1. Aerial Assassin is my own product on Facebook organic marketing. So you are also going to get this for absolutely free, and along with the advanced training which I covered under OTO1. Bonus number 3, I'm going to give you a mega collection bundle which includes 30 high quality softwares and trainings which you can give away as bonuses, or you can just give out to people to build your list. Bonus number 4, I'm going to give you 60 days worth of social media posts, so which you can just use these posts on Facebook and build your profile. So that is going to help you along with this course. Bonus number 5, I'm going to give you Facebook Messenger script. So this is the same script which I also use on my Facebook profile. So this will teach you how you need to start a conversation, what all things you need to ask, and how you need to present your offer. So this is a very important part which I have covered through my bonuses. And bonus number 6, I'm going to give you a training on Facebook Live, so which is a very important part of Facebook, doing Facebook Lives, as that will build that know, like, and trust factor with your audience on Facebook, and they will be happy to know you and ultimately buy from you. And all you need to do, just click on yes order now button on this page. That will take you to this particular sales page, and just need to click for instant access, and you can complete your purchase on Warrior Plus marketplace. And all your bonuses will be available right inside the Warrior Plus dashboard. Just need to click on access affiliate bonus after completing the purchase. And now talking about the different price points for Accelerate. So the front end, which includes all these trainings and all my bonuses, that is only going to cost you $9.97. So I believe it's a steal you're going to get so much value and so much information, and the not some random information, the information which can help you with your Facebook organic marketing strategy. And then there are some optional upgrades you can just go with. And then there are some optional upgrades which you can have a look. So the upgrade number one is the accelerator for $27. So this is additional traffic method which he's going to cover. And then upgrade number two is the done for you campaigns for $47. So you're going to get 20 done for you campaigns from Jake. Upgrade number three is the done for you funnel for $97. So basically you're going to get the import code and just need to import that funnel in your software, and you can just use the proven funnel. Upgrade number four is the license rights for $97. So you can sell Accelerate as your own product and keep the 100% profit. And upgrade number five is the one-on-one coaching for $197. So I've already covered this through my 60-minute coaching call where it's going to be pure value. So these are the different price points for Accelerate, and now talking about if this product is a good fit for you or not. See, Facebook organic marketing has been there for some time. People are doing Facebook organic marketing and making high ticket affiliate commissions, which means making commissions over $1,000. And as I told you, you have to do the things right way on Facebook. And this particular product is going to teach you everything, and along with my bonuses, you do not need anything for your Facebook organic marketing business model. So if you are someone who wants to get traffic from Facebook, you can promote different products. If you want to start with Facebook organic marketing, this is the best place to get started with. And I hope you got some value out of this video. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in my next video. Cheers.